daily job to dey eat. So now I come find this company where I come go join security there. So na there I even dey do daily job. Dey collect, say dey pay me 335 and dey do daily job. So dey come tell me say they are short of one security night. They are short of a security. That can I do the security job? That was last year October ending. I say yes, I can.
That is 2024 October end, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I say yes, I can do the job. That's okay. They employ me as a security. I was working there as a security till December, middle of December, because I met people there. I was the last person there. So I was doing my normal job. If I resume at 9, they will give me my post. Go, this is where you work, this is where you monitor. Say okay. So that middle of December, our leader, that is Mr. Ahmed, he said he has some little thing he wants to take out. Now we should just observe, watch out for him. The main people who I know say I get, I don't know anything about this thing. Since how many days I've been here, nobody has even come to say, hello, have you eaten or what? So please, if you help me or make dem help me for this case, because I don't know. Now wetin man go chop, e dey find you. I no know say na this kind thing e go be o.
Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa nìkànnì Ajára Màlífà TV pé ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìfẹ́. Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ á jẹ́ ká jọ ní àṣepẹ́ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa fi yẹn gbé oríyìn fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, pàápàá ẹ̀ka tó ń rí sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ òkùnkùn wá kí yín dáadáa. Paul lẹ ń wojú ẹ̀ yìí o. Eléyìí tí ó jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé rọmírọmí ọkọ̀ àjàgbé eléyìí tá a mọ̀ sí motor boy, òun ni iṣẹ́ tóun ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó lọkọ̀ ọ̀gá àwọn kan dẹ̀ dẹnu kọlẹ̀ ní nǹkan bí ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi mélòó kan, bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan àbí ọjọ́ mélòó. Ibi tán dẹ̀ gbé òun sí kò sí jíjẹ kò sí mímu, lòun wò pé kóun máa ṣe jámájámá yẹn iṣẹ́ ojúmọ́. Ibi iṣẹ́ ojúmọ́ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí tó fi ríṣẹ́ sílé iṣẹ́ eléyìí tí wọ́n ti ní wọ́n dé pàǹpá yìí kó tó di pé ilé iṣẹ́ náà ní kí ọlọ́pàá kó lọ gbé òun. Ṣé ẹ rántí Ahmed yẹn Babapupa? Òun ni Paul yìí jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn tí Ahmed dárúkọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé àwọn jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé iṣẹ́ náà. Òun ti wá ṣàlàyé pa tiẹ̀ ọ̀nà tó gbà bọ́rọ̀ náà ṣe kàn án. Mo máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà pé ẹ dákun dábàá ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa wo àwọn fọ́nrán yìí pé a kàn ń wò wọ́n à ń rẹ́rìn-ín àbí à ń fẹlòmíì ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wò láti kó ẹ̀kọ́ mọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ àti ọgbọ́n mọ́ ọgbọ́n tá a ti ní. Nítorí wípé torúfẹ́ àwọn méjì tí ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó rọ́ ní ẹnìkan nínú wọn ò rí wọn ó ti sálọ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó jẹ́ eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti tètè fi tó ilé iṣẹ́ eléyìí tí wọ́n bá ṣiṣẹ́ létí ni, ó ṣeé ṣe kí wọ́n má kó sákóló yìí. Ọlọ́run bá nìkan lọ́ba tó gbọ́n o, mo máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà, ṣùgbọ́n nígbà míì tá a bá fiyèsí dáadáa, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ló jẹ́ pé ó yẹ kí akógo ẹ̀já kó má jà wá rárá. Àbúrò oníṣẹ́ ọ̀kan tèmi tí tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ subscribe sí ìkànnì yẹn, on notification button ẹ like ẹ share ẹ bá wa comment àjọṣepọ̀ wa tẹ́ rí yẹn náà la lè fi ṣe àṣeyọrí. Ẹ ṣé o. Kí ni orúkọ yín?
Paul Joshua.
Paul kí lẹ pé?
Paul Joshua.
Ok. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni yín?
32.
32.
Yes.
Ọmọ ìlú bo ni yín?
Abia.
Abia. Side bo la Abia?
Umaya.
Umaya.
Yeah.
Ok. Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ kọ́?
I learned driving.
Ẹ máa ń wa ọkọ̀.
Yes.
Orú ọkọ̀ wo?
Scania, 6 tire, traveler.
Ok.
Yeah.
Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe?
But I don't really understand Yoruba.
Just do it anyhow. You can do English with Yoruba, whatever. Yeah.
When I learned my driving work at Kola, AIT Road, Alagbado. So for the last 2 years ending, I follow one driver come around that Ibadan Express Road. So he can't leave me there, go. When motor spoil, he leave me there, go. So I no fit just dey like that. I start to dey hustle how to eat, dey do daily job. I dey do daily job to dey eat. So now I come find this company where I come go join security there. So na there I even dey do daily job. Dey collect, dey pay me 335 and dey do daily job. So dey come tell me say they are short of one security night. Yeah, I short of a security. That can I do the security job? That was last year October ending. I say yes, I can
That is
do.
2024 October end, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I say yes, I can do the job. That's okay. They employ me as a security. I was working there as a security till December, middle of December, because I met people there. I was the last person there. So I was doing my normal job. If I resume at 9, they will give me my post. Go, this is where you work, this is where you monitor. Say okay. So that middle of December, our leader, that is Mr. Ahmed, he said he has some little thing he wants to take out. Now we should just observe, watch out for him. I say okay. I'll just do my post and watch church. He did what he want to do. So I no even know wetin he carry. But the next day he came back, he gave me 7,000 naira. I say okay, no problem. Towards December ending too, he said he still have another something he want to take out. I say okay, I observe everywhere. He came back, that was the third day, he gave me 8,000 naira. That's
8,000, be 8,000.
8,000
All
naira.
right.
That was twice that I agreed to do something, and I don't know actually what a move out from there, because me it was inside the company I was. I don't know where or how they move it out. That's how what brought me here.
Okay. Have you married?
I'm not married, but I have a daughter
Where's the daughter?
at Kolaye IT Road.
You said the person that brought you to that axis dropped you and wasn't available again. I
Yes.
don't understand. You living with the person no
No,
come that side again. How do you mean by he dropped you there?
as in I follow him as a motor boy. I
Okay.
follow him as a motor boy. So his truck has fault. So he left me there for more than a week. No way to eat, no way to, so and I asked look at okay, like there's a daily job that I can use to survive. That's how I start moving on. So I
Okay.
no even put mind for the man
Work
side.
again.
Yes.
Okay. Now, which means I didn't been the car did not spoil. You might have not been in this company you are working for,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you said Mr. Ahmed has done that the first time, he gave you money. The second time he gave you money. Why don't you just query him that, oh, guy, this thing what you dey do? Hope say no go cast one day like this.
Me, I tell him, but
Are you sure you tell him?
I asked him, he said no, no problem, because in that place there's a like a dustbin. It's just like a dustbin. It's not useful. All this belt, it's a belt like iron that if they use it to bundle iron, then if you cut it, is waste. That's just where my mind went to.
Okay, but you did not see the product he was carrying outside.
No,
But you foresee or you sense maybe it might be that thing.
that thing, yes.
Go on, I'm with you.
My mind just say maybe it's that thing.
So
Because
when were you now arrested? How do you now know it is those original material is taken he has been taken outside?
I was arrested first of this month to Shagam. So they asked, I won't even tell them that I don't know anything. Even the manager was even quarreling with me that why did I tell him anything? I said, I don't know anything like that. I don't know it was like this.
Okay, how much is the company paying you monthly or daily?
Monthly 50,000.
50,000.
Yeah.
Aside from this Ahmed one, which one you two don't do your personal
No.
person?
No, because normal after I close from night, I used to do some daily job assist
Like, what are the jobs you're doing daily?
to arrange material, or maybe if they want to load manual loading, I will be among, they'll pay 3,000, 3,500. Sometimes container used to come, they offload containers there.
This company you say you are doing a night guard for, what's the name of the company and where's the location of the company?
Savitech at Ibadan Express Road, Ibadan Express Road. close to Danko. I don't really know that village name, but close to Danko. The company name is Sabitech
So where is your daughter now? Where is she living?
at Salaye Road
With who?
with her parents.
You mean her mother?
Yeah,
Have you divorced with the mother?
no,
Sorry, you don't have wife, you said.
I'm not married to her because the child came suddenly.
Okay, you only have a child.
Yes,
So the child is now living with her mother.
yes.
Okay. How old is she?
She's 4 years now.
She's 4 years. Okay. Now, what do you want the government to do for you? Yeah, now tell us now wetin you want. Abi shebi you don meet yourself for this kind issue. So the way these things dey do,
I want,
nobody fit help you than wetin you want government do for una.
I want make they just help me because I know say yes, I don do mistake and I don enter am as e be like this. If they go fit help me because now I no get anybody, nobody, even the main people wey I know say I get, I no know anything about this thing. Since how many days I've been here, nobody has even come to say hello, have you eaten or what? So please you fit help me or make dem help me for this case because I no know na wetin man go chop e dey find you. I no know say na this kind thing e go be abeg
Who have not been feeding you since you say your parents, your family, none of them have shown up?
I just thank God for that Mr. Ibrahim. He has been assisting me little little. I just thank God
Who
for
is
him.
Mr. Ibrahim?
Na our colleague na we work together.
Okay. Is
So
he here?
he's here na that one that wore
Okay, the one that is fair like this.
yes, yes.
Okay, the one that say he has once been selling palm oil before.
Yes. He
Okay.
has the one been the one assisting me. Nobody has even come here to even say I'm looking for so person. I just thank God and God used him to help me at least to survive a little bit.
But I learned you are one of these cultists. Which of the cult did you belongs to?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
You're not part of the
I'm
cult.
not. I'm not.
What is your name once again?
Paul Joshua,
How old are you?
32.